Kesibe de ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwantwuma die so dia we can see on Empire Saka na no penso ja medindi Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the original Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya ekono kwanten kwadens ma do ensa kana no penso e wo Ghana agudiem ejao she no soma me se nwuma koni amiensa omna bom ska dwete me na no pay ye den komo no eba one expert I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet the hintasima we chen so twane before din before twane kuma bia wodi no kuma sa no manum ka kire busuanfo na hofo oyere o ma wo fase fo nananum ukunu no pranfo dina se na no niwie one expert na ma fo didi instance so one expert etia bo apanti fa ho jim twane before na din before busuan de japade bi seska wo kwaja obetia konane na the ketwa kwaje kese twane before wedding before no bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yira nya no eno ana edi twa bet ope bet dia one expert leading one dance e dia ma no jefas mr do tetahwi infections do gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di po na chewa on set me ka jefas do bia e betia boa ko herbal shops na pharmaceutical shops na mu on sabetia ka jefas herbal mixture no ne edu a e betimi agen kwa na fe nso ye twa to kwa na sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel fu pampas be pimo na se no edu ba ko etu ya odi ase no jefas mixture modern da so bekum sedimo gel and roll on no odo wani kire ashama no be market an sabetia ka bi na so tema so on sabetimi aka bi ho utu bi akoton ana se woto na de aye ho no sedimo gel and roll on phone pay for se friend 0202819129 0208219129 0208219129 na on a sedimo gel and roll on yentwetwen komo yenhwemwa o sentiment sa product bi na fe ya de bia wona ne nton kwantampa we mu ene sponsor to tutu ne twetwe na no penso wo mo ta kira boa e ma ye de akokansi mu sempa nsaka 18 jao a journey of 1000 kilometers begins from very first step yen chance FNF English Premier League matches ni between Saturday to fem na Leeds United etrasima Liverpool etwa na couple polinsia o te kanemu ba kope EPM ewo eye akensia eno so 18 start top fan between Leeds United and Liverpool eno no ye fa ni che UEFA Champions League yamia adom na nwumre bese no so pepe na matches na 18 start top fan okwa sempa 94.7 FM adom 106.3 FM so the live commentary between Sambro na ohwe akensia between top fan Chelsea eton Sunday affair Real Madrid amafo abama bu ewo Chelsea wonde da batene Chelsea for ese o mekom ho ewo sa akensia kesim Napoli enso ne AC Milan ene dia akensia no ebetia boss we UEFA Champions League sena matches no ebisi akọ ene no ane de wonkomo ejao afientin to mo Ghana nkomo dia na se Minister for Youth and Sports Honorable Yusuf Mustafa enso de nkomo hakretin aba na asema okanya ne se eye dwumedie kese French African Games a Ghana ya GCS reso mfie bebrini no besi sabire nya de etiasa aba so ni nan se infrastructure ho akwede ne kakra e de ama o Ghana nei me no kase aban e de apaso atwa homam e de so abobo fam e o miamia hodo bia ye hwe anim se kwabia so no omo ebetime wie sa project no na boa e ma African Games na ai krabehwe na honorable asema okanya ne se nyame adoma se na nema Asia kosoro de enkwa no de enche bia no ogide pa se project bibiri na omo ehwe anim se kwabia so de be host African Games no omo betime wie no enche bia.
Oh, inshallah, we are working steadily to ensure that the needed sports infrastructure, the facilities that are needed to host the next African Games, March 2024, even though it's Accra 2023, all those infrastructure will be ready before the date. We are working 24/7 to ensure that those facilities are ready. And you can see now when you are just heading towards University of Ghana, that work is progressing steadily.
In the African Games, our friend say Accra Games 2024 no nyame adoma Honorable Minister for Youth and Sports Honorable Yusuf Mustafa say nyame adoma infrastructure facilities a mo de gu akwam no omo ebetimi complete na dwumedie no etiaba so kama yenko national under 23 the Black Meteors of Ghana the Olympic team no so akachia na no adambo qualifies against Algeria omo kire mbobre pa mani Ghana etia kwakwani ma ya qualify for akenzike seda omanim no na ni agwepiem ne say Prosperous Nado, a General Secretary, Edema Ghana Football Association, or the Nkomoka Kraba, Nasimo, so a Kenyan say a support, and I said, Tabia who be here, some of the national 23 team, the mom, Nafi team, so Abe Krabeshe.
That is the quest. The quest is to qualify to the Olympics game, and so you will see that the technical team, the FA, and everybody is geared up. In terms of the preparations to ensure that we present a good team, we give ourselves good preparations and be in the position to compete with the rest of Africa in terms of the other teams that will come. 3 slots are available, and then one, let's say 50-50 slot. We want to take one of the 3 slots, and so we must be ready. And like I said, immediately we qualified in Kumasi, the plans set off, and so the coaches know of this. They are monitoring the players. We are working very hard so that the players they will bring forward for us to get for the tournament, we would be able, through our engagement with their clubs, be able to get them so that they will have the best of preparations. But this is an area that we have some of our best talents. If you look at the Blasters, you look at the age level, the average age level, you see that some of the players qualify to also play in the U23. So we are very hopeful, and we want to qualify, and I think that we've given ourselves an opportunity, and we will take it. That's
Jumedia under 23 African Cup of Nations na so Morocco between 24th of June and Kopem on the 8th of July 2023 and a bit of Tanko Ibrahim ono and a head coach okita national under 23 team na or they qualify share him senyamia doma obetimi asa qualify ewasa Africa under 23 youth championship ya senso na aboa emagana akwagine din if you on fa ni kire nkrafo fom dia Ghana ni abrantie ba kwa fence Frixie na ohwe Frixie dia ultimate sampa UK and obezi na papa HS ohwe sene Mexico so Kotenka school and vocational school a ohwe ne dwumadi a odi e padia na aso emesi ni construction de untimi ne ATM organa hye so anobu na ketem kopie mu ewo UK emonten so na nei ye ka boxing padia team sampa ni dia hweta wiase afana ni essence weekend wotimi eche bruni abrantie ba ko sibrim na enya sam keto akwa ni dia nkasa e de set jima ane ye bone mane fen se e Frixie McBones na ne nkomo na ye twetwe after se odi nkunim e about etime todwa weekend yi mu ni.
And they say, you target was a Ghanaian boxer and as a British boxer.
A good question. This is idea Ghana for interview here. This is the thing will be Busa. Do you fight for British or do you fight for Ghana? Nana, at the moment, no Kromua and the Kromua son of me say to my but next year, Namia Domina or my Ghana 27 say Olympic because here one. And I'm a club number 3. I will be very happy to take Ghana to next level.
Okay.
So now, I just doing what I'm doing, and I just proud to do what I'm doing to support my family.
Okay, to the next Olympics, no. I'm say few bouts be a professional, you know, still I'll be back to Olympics, no. To the next Olympics, no. Almost free beba.
And I'm sure I'm sure man for.
Wow. And I say, oh, don't mind so.
I don't know for that.
Sir, approaching a woody for approaching. Now, oh, about to a moody before.
I consider because the mood to cut the coin. Yeah.
And I would dear.
Yeah, let me do because Osha way in the Oko way in you need to go on diet. And you know, man, ultimately Ghana because it's heavy. Our food is very heavy. It's the essence from now in training now. And you way now. And you be to work with you a bit there, and I choose that and I don't so pay. But man, I don't miss the mood too far. Oh,
okay. You find one man UK.
But I call Ghana, I call Africa, I go for been oh, next come a tree trying and then got the fine.
Now, only no idea.
Yeah, no, I'm a chef.
Oh, okay. And I'm ready for my car. So, I see. Inti, the span of 10 years old, and me, and then send a sport no ACT na over say what the boxing be doing.
I will take Ghana to the next level, and I'll put Ghana on the map. Because also the reality is very hard to find any boxer at the moment who is really aggressive and fight like the way I'm doing.
on when den so pa o
na make us a small class chair me call ku check akra na ye o kan ma bu o ne pa na bokere ne de ko chene chene
when den pa o nyese agro ade na ye hwe wa na enye rofo
nti 33 years Freezy McBones didi ankasa e de set jima na wohwese ne Mexico so Kumasi asokorehyia so baabi wo eyakura na se ne wo papa yi ne wakopi mo UK team sampa oye exploits and dwumadi a wodi e boxing no enye asemwa na osan akoso kyekire mu kwankon fa so a owura eye boxing mu
do be ka se unya ska osane ma emu anti se ska na odi share wakonto nim no.
It's not about first scan. Scan there. So then they will be square to be sure what they sure brown they are. And I'm support so what you say. You know there, yeah.
Okay. Into you could do abroche no. Boxing eba simple sa na say oye bibia ansa na ni o de hoje boxing mu.
Actually, started boxing no. I think it started very late when it play. Because my debut was 2012, I started boxing in 2017.
Okay.
But before 2017, Mayweather and Pacquiao fight been a man, very interested in mind. So, but that was not my type in Quantum and me guitar, me like mechanical machine.
What's in the new boxing? Okay.
Okay. Imagine as a mayor said you wanted to and yeah. Because me yet said yet or no yenny.
Oh, okay.
Monsieur and the human yet pick up do ne the can on and the send the Adom or the baby be.
Okay. Into wo aye Freezy McBones. Yebeka say we a talented boxer na so suya boxing.
A good question, Nana, because my family financial boxing gloves with that LV. And my also late. But one thing about me is that I'm very determined person. I did the person I go for it. Nothing stops me.
Do because
enti Freezy McBones didi ankasa e de set jima oye Ghana boxer obezi UK na enei we ne dwumadi a odi ne dia o two professional about to his credit a ohwe nim senyame adoma Ghana form paying for friends from Olympic Games a obijane safo ina egu na aba beko e de ama Ghana e wo dwumadi a wodi mu enei o UK kura bato kono obehwe Ghana mfranka ne ebonisisi ho a o kire se o Ghana ni mapa nti ne nkomo no ana ye de aba bibiri na aka eche nyame adom na se ensa enya de bereni adaje biu a ye besa de san komo so etiansa ba hye no so mam se fast mixture wo mo e de Jeffas and etachiri eboa emedi dwumadi ebro na fe one expert have always told you that betting there is better than sakawa and afi so kwa no Sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel o set me ke bia no so betian boa emaniama etia to dia ma we mo and sponsor say omotachiri boa mena no penso ye dia wo kensi mu sempa esa kan so etimi ejawo midin the professor Ike Walasa good catch back open am gina mu and of course evidence based presentation etimi ejawo we eye bedwantwumedie so ana dia no penso nkomo no so etia bre nkomo aka wache no ana edoso koso amoni enhwe Adom TV nhihia hodo e wo no edoso pa sabiri die the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.